Do you feel for loss of words when trying to explain an idea to your boss, to your spouse, to your kids, or generally in society? Do you feel nervous when you are told to speak in public? Are you missing opportunities though you have the necessary qualifications and skills? Sometimes you feel you are missing that motivation and support to give you that encouragement and push to achieve greater things in your career or your own ambitions. You are not alone. Thousands of people have the fear of public speaking, lack of listening skills, or confidence. Hence, it's time for Toastmasters. In Toastmasters, we have an encouraged platform to learn communication and leadership skills in a learning and supportive environment. As a nonprofit organization, our role is to help you achieve greater things. Toastmasters has over 15,000 clubs across the world. Around 50 plus are in Kuwait. One of them is Kuwait Challengers. A 16-year-old club, Kuwait Challengers, is one of the leading Toastmasters clubs in the region. With members of powerful track record of great achievements, powerful and excellent leadership, we work as a community to support and motivate your achievements, your communication, and leadership goals. The members of Kuwait Challengers consist of people of various nationalities or different cultures and careers, from engineers to financial consultants, from managers to service team. We all work together as a powerful team that has one goal: to help one another. We meet in Kuwait City at 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. twice a month. That's only 4 hours per month. Visit us as a guest and have a feel of our club meeting environment, and once you are comfortable, you can join us as a member to become a powerful Toastmaster to successfully drive your future to achieve your goals. Call us on 507-353-11 or 9720-0120, or visit our Instagram page for visuals of our meetings on instagram.com/KW Challengers. Design your future personality with Toastmasters.